Hey, cutie pie. What's up? He's like, whatever. So, my gerbil's on the kitchen table. Because they are redoing the bathroom downstairs, and he does not like the jackhammer they're using to get up the tile. So we're just going to chill up here in the kitchen. You can see his little butt. Yep. So, he's the last one from the clan I had. He's actually doing fine. I think he was probably at the bottom of the social totem pole. So now that he's by himself, he can actually eat and do whatever he wants and all that. So, in a way, he's probably happier to some degree. He gets plenty of attention from me too, so yeah. So, my house is still a disaster, but it's getting there soon.